The readKey method of the console class waits for the user to press a key and returns information about the key. By default, the pressed key is displayed on the console. You can pass the intercept true parameter to prevent the character from appearing on the console. It is often used to pause program execution until the user provides input. Unlike console.read, the readKey method returns a console key info object, from which you can access the pressed character using the keychar property, without needing conversions.